Hi, guidance counselors and Reach Plus users. We're now in CAO season, so I'm going to show you a real practical way for students to help out with their research along this area. So I'll get my students to pop into World of Education. They will click on the CAO Choices app. Um, Within the app, there is a step-by-step process that's very easy to follow, as you can see on the left-hand side. I'll briefly bring you through that process. So at start, we move into step one, which brings us into deciding what factors are important. So there's two main questions. Which of the following course factors are important to you? The student will choose which of them, which is important, I suppose. Excellent facilities maybe is career focused, and so on. The next question beneath that will be which of the following college factors are important to you? So it could be supports their hobbies. You click on that. Could be that of a study abroad program within the degree, and so on. And you will build up that piece of information on the right hand side. So when you're happy that you've chosen those important factors, you click on next into step two. Step two, there's a really nice video here to help students understand how to find and tag level 8s, level 6s, level 7s within Careers Portal. And the two options are there. One, to carry your interest profiler with you to help even more determine based on those results, or just a general find and tag courses. When they are in there and they find a course, they must tag. You can see a little star icon here. When they star those icons and whatever courses that they're looking to choose, that gets replicated then into the next section, into part three. So when those courses are carried forward into step three, you'll see the courses locate themselves in here. So within step three, the students then will look at the courses that they've starred, and then they'll say to themselves, okay, let's have a bit more research into these courses. So let's say accounting. If I click on that, I have the option then to type in why I like this course and then why I may not like this course. And then beneath that, we have the option to rate those out of five based on the course content and rate other factors as they will. So when they go through that process, the courses that they have found and tags, they'll easily spot which ones they found more interesting in terms of ratings. And then that brings them into the next part, which is part four, which is when they get to rank the course. Okay, so this is really important coming up to CEO deadlines, where the students can now drag and drop, drag up to and place the various different courses in the order that they would like to have them positioned come the CEO deadline. Okay, so during the research and ranking process, they'll see there on the right hand side what factors and what content rating they've given them. And in a lot of cases, they will drag some of those important ones to the top. Okay, so this the exact same procedure happens within 5 and 6 in terms of the level 6s and level 7s, with the outcome at the end being that you now have a list of level 8s and level 7s neatly organized on the two areas of the page with their the course digits and the course information on that. So what happens then is the students, when they're finished with that process, they can click on My Applications app, which will bring them directly into an area containing everything that's CEO orientated. Another way of getting there is if they go into their student file, on the left-hand panel, they'll see My Applications. So all the work they've put into that specific app will now appear in the CEO box. So when a student pops in there, all the information that they've researched is there. They have the opportunity then to click that they're applying to the CEO. They'll put in their CEO number when they get that. They'll put in their exam number in the future when they get that also. They can also tick that if they're to indicate that they're applying through there and here in that area, and they'll click submit. So in terms of keeping the student housed in one particular area where they're not distracted from various other applications, this is ideal in terms of preparation for the CEO.